following message is transmitted at the request of the Forest Service Utah Avalanche Center. The Forest Service Utah Avalanche Center in Salt Lake City has issued an avalanche watch timing. Through 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time Tuesday affected area. The mountains of northern Utah, including the Wasatch Range and the Uinta Mountains, avalanche danger. The avalanche danger is expected to rise to high within the next 24 hours. Reason impacts. By Monday morning, expect heavy snowfall and strong winds. This will create widespread areas of unstable snow. Both human-triggered and natural avalanches will be likely. Stay off of an out from under slope steeper than 30 degrees. Backcountry travelers should consult www.avalanchecenter.org or call 1-888-999-4019 for more detailed information. This watch does not apply to operating ski areas where avalanche hazard reduction measures are performed.